Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S Samayal. Today we are going to see layali labnan.
Layali labnan is a Lebanese dessert. So we have to make two layers for this. The first layer is rava layer and the second layer is cream layer. Let's start now. For the first layer, add 1 liter thick milk in a pan. Add half cup unroasted rava, semolina. Mix well. Then add half cup sugar. You can add 1 cup also as per your taste. Mix well. And now keep it on stove and cook. Add 1 tablespoon rose water for flavor and stir well continuously and cook well. Bring to a thick consistency. It should not be too thick. It should be a semi-solid like this. Now transfer this mixture to a shallow bowl. Spread evenly with a spatula. Tap it to avoid air bubbles. Cool it in room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover it with a thin film and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. Now let's prepare the second layer. For that, add 500 ml thick milk in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon custard powder and mix well without any lumps. Add half cup sugar and dissolve well. Add 1 tablespoon rose water for flavor and cook well. Still it reaches thick consistency. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence for flavor. And cook. Now the second layer is ready. Cool it and add 100 gram fresh cream. Mix well and keep aside. Our second filling is ready now. Our first layer is well set after 2 hours. Check whether it is well set. Now it's ready. Pour the second filling over it slowly and distribute evenly with a spatula. Once again cover it with a thin film and refrigerate overnight. Do not keep in freezer, keep in fridge overnight. Our pudding is well set. Now open it. Let us garnish it with the powdered pista. Our healthy and delicious layali labnan is ready now. Serve chilled and enjoy. Don't forget to try this recipe. It's really an amazing recipe. Serve chilled and enjoy the taste. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to SAFWAN'S Samayal.